Ever feel like stuff online just keeps getting more expensive? It's not just inflation. Tariffs are back, and they're coming for your wallet. Welcome to CentSense, where we break down how big money moves affect your everyday finances. Today, we're diving into new U.S. trade changes. We'll explain why your Shein haul just doubled in price and what you can do about it. Right now, the U.S. is shaking up its tariff rules. Particularly, the de minimis rule is being affected. This rule used to let you buy items under $800 from overseas, duty-free. But now, if you're ordering from sites like Temu or Shein, brace yourself. There's a new 120% tariff per package, which could hit $200 by June. That means a $25 phone case could cost over $50, and that's before shipping. This impacts more than just fashion. It's a direct blow to low-cost imports, mainly from China and Hong Kong. While it sounds patriotic to bring back American manufacturing, it's like facing a second wave of inflation. Everyday items, such as school supplies or basic household goods, could easily double in price. For example, $100 worth of school supplies in bulk could now cost over $220. Small businesses relying on cheap imports are also feeling the heat, raising prices or cutting inventory to survive. It's not just affecting individuals. U.S. companies, from retailers to shipping, are under pressure. Nearly 75% of businesses expect a financial hit from these changes. Many are already raising prices, while others are slowing operations. Globally, it's heating up too, with other countries planning retaliatory tariffs. Investors are watching closely, leading to more stock market volatility as this trade drama unfolds. Now, let's be honest, this isn't only about economics, it's political chess. With elections approaching, the topic of bringing jobs home is prominent. Tariffs are being touted as a solution. Supporters argue it'll boost U.S. manufacturing and protect workers. Critics warn it's just a price hike in disguise, leading to higher costs and fewer choices. Who's right? It really depends on how businesses and buyers respond. So, how can you protect your wallet? First, compare platforms. U.S.-based sellers might be cheaper now. Next, budget smarter, especially for fashion and electronics. Hold off on non-urgent buys. Prices might stabilize after this shakeup. And don't forget to support local businesses, as they're navigating these costs too. Bottom line, this situation isn't just some abstract policy. It directly affects your checkout total. Stay informed, shop smart, and remember, your wallet has a vote too. If this helped you, you know what to do. Stay tapped into CentSense for more no-fluff money breakdowns. Let me know in the comments if you're already seeing these price hikes. I read them all. Want to level up your money game? Watch 10 Habits That Made Self-Made Millionaires Rich. It's packed with tips you can use right now. Catch you in the next one.